y'all, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to the subscribe button down below. Also, go ahead and hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload all my videos. While you're at it, go follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Literally, as I was recording this video, Instagram shut down. It shut down, okay? I almost lost my mind. My whole mind was almost lost. Today I just did this cute everyday like get ready with me kind of a look kind of thing. This is literally my everyday natural neutral looking kind of, I don't even know what to call it. This video is, I guess, technically sponsored by INFLUENSTER because I am letting y'all know about all the new products that they just sent out in their box. This one was from Mercier, so I got some cute little surprises in this box. If y'all want to see what's in my box and also how I created this everyday look, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to be going with my Becca Cosmetics primer. I think it's the Ever Matte primer. I'm going to be applying that all over my face. I love this primer to death. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, which is a dupe for the high-end pore eraser. I forgot the name of it, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be applying that on my pores. I have really huge pores, it's sick. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I believe I'm in the color 335. Yes, 335 Classic Tan. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with my MAC Dip Brow Pomade. I think this is in the shade Dip Brown or Dip Down or something like that. And I'm just going to be filling in my lashes. I said my lashes, oh my god. Filling in my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Colors concealer. I believe I am in the shade Tan. So CC567. I'm just going to use a brush to blend that out. And now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer stick. These things are so freaking bomb, yo. I'm using the color C14. I love these concealers. I'm just going to use that to contour my face. And then you'll see me go ahead and set it later. Alright, now I'm going in with my Loreal Mercier setting powder, translucent setting powder. The best setting powder, hands down. I love it, okay? And I'm just going to be using my beauty blender to set that. Not damp. I feel like with damp, it gives me more of a flashback. So a dry beauty blender definitely works better than a damp beauty blender when it comes to setting your face. I'm going to be using my NYX Professional eyeliner pen. Literally every NYX eyeliner pen is thebomb.com, so you can use whichever one works best for you. I don't even know which one I'm using, honestly, but I'll leave it in the description box down below. Now I'm going to go with my all-time fave Milk Mascara. I love the Milk Mascaras, the Milk Kush Mascara. It's so bomb, okay? This sucks. Don't buy this lash glue. It didn't even get in my eye, but it's so strong. It burnt my eye. Okay, so I'm just applying my lashes with that horrific lash glue. And I'm just going to be dusting away all of the setting powder. I'm going to go with my NYX Professionals contour palette. This thing is so bomb. I love it so much. It's called Love Contours All. And I'm going to be using those 2 brown shades to contour my face. I love this palette so much, and it's really inexpensive. Y'all definitely need to go get that. Now I'm going to be setting underneath of my contour just to make it look more defined. And here we have the Laura Mercier Box. Yes, yes. First up we have the blush. The blush shade is in Rose. It's so pretty. I love it so much. It's the blush color Infusion. So bomb. Alright, and I'm going to go with my Carli Bybel palette, of course, to do my highlight. Y'all know that is my fave. Now I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier lipstick and lip liner. The lipstick is in Nude Prefere. And then the lip liner is in Baby Lips. I'm not a fan of like lip liners that aren't brown, so I just went in with the regular brown lip liner that I got from NYX and paired it with the lipstick. But the lip liner was really good too. Y'all, so this is the finished look. Okay, thank you Influenster and Laura Mercier for sending me this amazing package. Okay, like that blush is legit bomb. I probably won't be using the actual liner just because I'm a brown liner girl because I have small lips, but once I get my fillers, though, we gonna be doing all that. Okay, but the lipstick was really pretty, really smooth, and really creamy. And yeah, so this is the finished look, and thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.